A very good morning to all the dignitaries here. With the permission of the Chair of the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, sir, may I start the today's proceedings, please? Thank you, sir. Good morning to all the dignitaries here. We welcome our Honorable Chief Minister on this occasion, and I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who is a visionary leader. As in the words of Warren Bennis, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality, and we welcome you, sir, on this occasion to make your vision into a reality. I extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri K. Pawan Kalyan Garu, who has a distinguished blend of an artist, a charismatic leader with a political acumen. In the words of John Maxwell, he is a leader, one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We welcome you, sir. I warmly welcome our Honorable Revenue Minister, Sri Anagani Satyaprasad Garu, who is an energetic and a young man from a background of political experience. With your knowledge and experience, I'm sure Revenue Department will benefit, sir. Welcome you, sir. I extend my warm welcome to each and every one of the Honorable Council of Ministers here. Welcome, Madam and Sirs. I extend my fond welcome to our respected and beloved Chief Secretary, Sri Nirab Kumar Prasad Garu, for being the guiding light to all the officers for this Collectors Conference. We welcome you, sir. I extend my welcome to the respected Director General of Police, Sri Dwarak Thirumal Rao Garu, for being here on this occasion for the inaugural session. I extend my warm welcome to the Special Chief Secretary Revenue, Sri R.P. Sisodia Garu, for taking the meticulous care of every arrangement today in this hall and the entire day. I welcome the beloved officers of the Honorable CMO, Principal Secretaries, Sri Ravichandra Garu, Sri Piyush Kumar Garu, Secretary Sri Rajmouli Garu, Sri Pradyumna Garu, and Sri Kartikeya Mishra Garu for extending their support and providing the smooth flow of communication to all the officers here. I extend my very warm welcome to all the young and dynamic district collectors who are afresh in heading the district and who shall, in the words of Thomas Jefferson, be, in matter of style, swim the current, in matters of principle, stand like a rock. I welcome all the respected Special Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, and Secretaries of the various departments who are in the realm of affairs of the state policy, and also the HODs, other officers, last but not the least, our Assistant Collector under training who are grooming themselves to become a full-fledged officer. I also extend my warm welcome to the print and electronic media who are covering the inaugural session. And to be in short, this is a beginning, sir. It's a landmark beginning for having initiated this District Collectors Conference, the first District Collector Conference, in the premises of the Secretariat, as you had really envisioned the Secretariat at your time earlier. And we are very proud that we are hosting it here as the head of the conference. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. So with that hope, I'm sure that this session will give us that kind of a guidance to take forward the Honorable CM's vision and the state policy in the similar line. Thank you and welcoming you all once again. Sir, with the permission of the Chair, we'll continue the session, sir. I request respected Chief Secretary, Sri Nirab Kumar Prasad Garu, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister, sir, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, Honorable Ministers, Secretaries, HOD, my dear District Collectors, officers present in the meeting, representatives of the press and media. As you are aware, this is the first conference of the District Collectors convened by this government. This conference is being held at a crucial time when the state has embarked on the process of reconstruction and rebuilding of institutions. A number of subjects will be covered today, which will give all the collectors an outline of the priority items to be attended by the district collectors. I want to reiterate and re-emphasize that the district administration led by the district collectors is the cutting edge of administration, and the image of the government is primarily dependent on the quality of administration provided by the district collectors. Hence, it is very important that the collectors recognize this fact and take full responsibility and accountability of the whole district administration. A significant and discernible difference should be visible in the district administration to all in Andhra Pradesh and even outside immediately within 100 days by your advance actions, planning, scheme implementations, responses to incidents, and leadership of your districts. Citizens are the cornerstone of the new government, and it is essential that all the grievances of the people are appropriately and timely addressed. Collectors must take personal initiative in this regard and strictly follow the people first principle.